Today's topic is moment of inertia. We all know what is moment, right? Moment is the ability to produce bending or rotation of a body. And inertia is the ability to resist some change. So what is moment of inertia? Moment of inertia of a body is the ability to resist bending or rotation. So moment of inertia is the tendency of a body to resist bending or rotation. Area moment of inertia is also known as second moment of area. So how we will calculate the moment of inertia? Suppose this is an arbitrary section. So it is a combination of small areas. So if I will divide this section into a small area dA. Remember that moment of inertia is not a fundamental property. If I will change axis of reference, the moment of inertia will change. So suppose the body's center of gravity is lying at this point. So if I will draw the axis about center of gravity, and if I will try to take so what will be the moment of this area about x-axis? We denote moment of inertia as capital I. So what will be the moment of this axis? Suppose this small area is at a distance y, small y, from this x-axis, which is passing through the center of gravity of this body. So what will be the area moment? That will be y into dA. So I have already told moment of inertia is a second moment of area, that is area moment of moment. So moment of inertia is y into y dA, that is y square dA. So this geometry is the combination of these small areas. So what will be the total moment of inertia? If I will continue these blocks like this and I will complete the geometry, so it will be summation of y square dA. Basically we do summation for discrete geometries. For continuous geometry, actually it's better to do integration. So integration of y square dA. Similarly, if we will take moment of inertia about y-axis, that will be summation of x square dA or integration of x square dA. So what will be the unit of moment of inertia? We know that area moment of moment. What is the unit of area? Unit of moment of inertia. What is the unit of area? Meter square. And what is the unit of y square? Meter square. So meter square into meter square, meter to the power 4 or millimeter to the power 4.